Hi. I'm just playing around with some software called Loom, where you can screen share and add little video and things. It looks quite fun. And I thought what I would do is show you a Google slide that I set up along with a bit of help from my husband, with an aim of creating something motivating to practice targeting. Lucy at the minute is trialling a head mouse for access, and we're looking at what size maybe she can target, and looking for something really motivating for that. So we created this bluey slideshow. So what we've done, I'll show you how it works and then talk to you a little bit about what we have done with it. So I can see already it might need a little adjustment, but I'll talk about that in a bit. So we've set it up using links. So we've set it up so if you click anywhere, pretty much anywhere on the screen, on the presentation, except the cell, it's not going to go anywhere. What it's actually doing is going back to this page. It's a link back to this page, but it looks like nothing's happening. And then when we click on Bluey, we have a GIF from Giphy that I've embedded into there. Now if we click anywhere, it moves on. So obviously if Lucy's looking at that for a really long time, I'm thinking, come on, we want to do something different, I can just click and move it on. So we have another GIF. Click anywhere, click here. Oh, I want some more Bluey, but it's just not working. I need to get a bit closer. Oh, but if I click on there, it's working. Okay, and if I click around, oh, here we go. Another motivating. Lucy really likes sometimes quite bright visual stuff, so that's why we've got GIFs. They're working pretty well. And Bluey, the cell with Bluey is getting smaller and smaller. Bingo, enjoying a hot dog. And it's getting smaller. And bye-bye. Okay, and that is the end of the slideshow. So if I just come out of the slideshow, what I don't know whether you noticed, on the top and the bottom, there were some gaps. Now they're a bit troublesome, because if I just show you, let's just go to this cell. So when it's playing, if there's a gap up at the top or down at the bottom, obviously she can get onto the menus, but also when we were doing this earlier on a different computer, what it meant was that she was clicking outside and that was moving the cell on. So what we have worked out we can do about that. Oh, and I think I might need to do a little bit of searching around. Do I need to move? I'm going to move myself. How weird is that? Okay. And in page setup, you need to make sure that the screen is set to match what you've got on your computer. So yeah, as you can see, actually what that's created is these gaps at the top and the bottom. What I was finding earlier is that she was getting the head mouse down into that area and clicking and moving it on without having to target. So that's why we did the page setup, a different widescreen, so it was covering the whole area. That does kind of play with the position of the GIFs a little bit, but that's not too much of a bother. You can sort that out. And if I just show you how we managed to create these pages so that you have to click on a certain part of the page, I would right click. So I've made the background black because visually that's helpful. Right click on the area that you want. So that's a black object, a big black square, and you can see down here that we can choose where to move to, and there we have slide 1. So this is slide 1. It's literally just looping back onto itself. But here we've set up the whole button so it moves on to the next slide. So that's how we've managed to create that. So it was quite a fun way of setting something up that Lucy could enjoy using and is hopefully motivating. What I'm going to try and do now that we've worked out a few glitches, and we also have sorted out the issue of how we're getting it to dwell, which is by using a little piece of dwell software from Smartbox that works with anything. So that's what we've been working on, so I'll try and upload a bit of video of that. So I hope that has been a useful little tutorial and a little idea of some of the things that we can do. I hope you like the spring flowers that I've put around my face and the logo. And yeah, cool. Hope that's useful. Bye for now.